Ban yo ya ki Khubor bat ki jingtip phila ban subscribe ya ka FLOWDA Miles channel. Kaseng Voice of the People Party House nem ubala leino kala yo ban Pynbna lut ya ki kertong ki jongka ki ban say ireng no hakane ka election MDC ka ban sawan kata baro na artli ki council ka Giant Hills Autonomous District Council bat ka Khas Hills Autonomous District Council haga jing persang ban yo ya ki katto ka ne ki jingtip shapang ki kertong ka VPP ngile yo ya ka lat ban wat ya ka jingtip shapang kertong ka Voice of the People Party na Shangpung constituency uban say ireng no hakane ka election sapo ka yeng dorbar thau ain ka Giant Hills Autonomous District Council ka kerteng jong uneu samla ka long uhami shania suyam ubadon menta kumba arpo prasnam karta bat ubashong ubasa ha ka Shangpung Mission Village ka bahaba po ka West Giant Hills District uneu samla uliyo ban pendep ya ka metric ka jong u na ka Shangpung Presbyterian Higher Secondary School ya ka class 12 na ka St. Edmunds College ya ka bachelor degree pat uliyo ban pendep na ka St. Edmunds College bat ya ka LLB uliyo ban pendep na ka Khat Ar Daloy Law College Jowai uliyo ru ban pendep ya ka DLEd ka jong u na ka District Institute of Education and Training Institute That Laskeng uneo samla uliyo ban yadon bantah ka kam imlang salang kum member of Village Defense Party, member of Village Water and Sanitation Committee, member of Bouncer Association of Meghalaya, paralegal volunteer of District Legal Service, but Vice President Jongka Khat Ar Daloy Law College Student Union, naduh usnem arjar arpuar, hadu usnem arjar arpulai. Uneo samla uliyo ru ya ka khusnam haki benta bapher haka jingyakun ka jong u haka kickboxing kata haka international haka national haka university represent nehu bat kiwei de ulong ru kum u coach bat u referee haki jingyele kai kickboxing ke bapher bat uliyo ru ya ka khusnam na ka appreciation award arjar puar na u honorable government of Meghalaya Sri Satya Pal Malik uliyo ru ya ka award na ka Meghalaya Day Award arjar arpway uliyo ru ya ka award na ukyang nong ba achievement award arjar arpo uliyo ru ya ka sports award arjar khat khandai uliyo ru ya ka appreciation award house name arjar khat pra kiwei de ki baw new samla uliyo ban pendep kalong ula pendep ya ka BSc electronic uliyo ru ban pendep ya ka MTED bat ulong ru ubayo ya ka second degree black belt kickboxing national qualified kickboxing coach Sansian hak international kickboxing gold medalist Prasian hak national kickboxing gold medalist bat ubayo ru ya ka Meghalaya Day awardees arjar arpway na ukyang nong ba award for sport